PERT cram. English grammar conventions. Present perfect verb tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level, question 9. Memedicine, antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my Cash App. Cash App, hashtag, $, memedicine. Keep me fueled. I can continuously provide you with these bills. Keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, Verb Tense, question 11. Complete the sentence with the present perfect form of the verb. The network administrator blanked security by reconfiguring all passwords, but the system still seems vulnerable to hackers. The task here is to shift the tense of enhance to its present perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or has started already. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is either going to be has or have. Note that has corresponds to second person singular subjects, and have will be paired with the first person singular pronoun I, the first person plural pronoun we, the second person singular pronoun you, and all third person plural pronouns. All right, so that might have been a lot to digest mentally. Check out these examples. The sun has broken through the clouds. Note that here, has is the second person singular form of the verb to have. Again, it agrees with its singular subject, the sun. Also notice that the main verb broken is the past participle of the verb to break. The past participle verb form of break is obviously irregular. The verb form has broken is the correct present perfect tense. Now check out another example. John and Erica have played the violin for years. Note here that have is the present tense form of the verb to have that is paired again with I, you, we, and all plural subjects. Here, our plural subject is John and Erica. So the present perfect tense have played correctly corresponds to its plural subject, John and Erica. All right, back to the original question, now for the solution. Again, the present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or has already started. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is going to be has for singular second person subjects. For example, the network administrator is a singular second person subject, and have for the first person singular pronoun I, the first person plural pronoun we, and the second person plural pronoun you, and all other plural subjects. A great example of a plural subject here, just in case you're confused, is hackers. Multiple hackers ending in an S. All right, so let's keep it along. This is a bit of an aside just for your understanding. So either form of the verb to have is combined with the past participle of the main verb. According to this rule of formation, has enhanced is the correct present perfect verb tense. The network reconfiguration began at some point in the past, so the use of has enhanced is appropriate here. The main verb enhance is regular, so be aware that its past participle verb form is going to be the same as its simple past tense verb form. That's just another detail for your understanding. Here we have preceded enhanced with the present tense form of the helping verb to have. This present perfect verb form is correct.